get the charge. Dash and push in. Dash and push in. Look at the ball. One a little bit of width. Tyler, hold.
One. Kelly. One.
Touch.
Good job, Mateo.
Play the whistle, Dog. He sees what he sees. Play the whistle.
Cover wide. Let's go, Ty. Keep working, Ty. Shut him down, White. Get there, Jax. Mark. Oh my God. Let's go.
On back. Don't run away. Come to.
Come on, guys. We can't watch the ball. You got to get there.
Watch the line.
You got to get there, Ty. That's you. Keep going. Keep working.
First two. Get right behind.
There we go, guys. Go, buddy.
Composure.
Good hustle there, boys.
Go take the ball. Go take it. You just stay back. Go right wing. Go right wing. Go right wing. Go right wing. Lucas. Don't go back, Brett. Touch. Composure. Take a touch.
Good job, Mateo.
We need that hustle. We need that work, boys.
All the way, Mateo. All the way.
Get there first time. There you go. Now look for feet. Look for Dom. Keep working if it gets turned over.
Subs. That's it.
There's shot. Look at it. Go on, Krebs, let's go, boys. Come on now.
Back up.
All work, all work, all work. Yes, Sam. Yes. Fine feet, fine feet. Hard in there, hard in there, hard in there. Wide from there, wide from there. Touch, nice touch. Nice touch. Go wide, Sam.
Good job, that's right. Good job.
I'm back. Come on, you.
Cover wide, cover wide. Pedro, get him, Pedro. Go, Sam, you can get there. You can get there, Sam, get there, get there. You can't pick it up. Work it out, work it out. Everyone work, everyone work. We got to work to get this one.
No passes at the back. No passes at the back.
Yeah, Pedro! One more! Pedro! Go!
You're activating good plays, boys. Well done, boys.
Go southwest, come on! Win it!
Let's go, White. Let's go, boys.
Win that!
Support, support, support! Support them, wingers!
Look on! Look on! I know what I'm doing. Yeah, push in!
Just try and use like a one more like a run
Time. Tail. Wait.
Wide!
On.
Yes,
Hey! Let's go back.
It's okay. We can
Quickly.
Go, Ray, go, Ray, go, Ray!
Roman! Roman! Jace, leave! Mimi, you're right up.
Let's go, Southwest! Come on!
Look for feet, look for feet.
Good sub. Sam.
Lucas!
We gotta have this, boys. We gotta have it. Let's go. Go, Jax. Okay, sort it out. Who's in the wall? Jack's in the wall.
Okay, two. Two in.
Who we do? Like we cannot do anything there. Want it, boys! Want this! Careful there. Don't wait for something to happen, boys. Make her go. Let's... Thank you, sir. Heads up, boys. Heads up. It's got to get wide. Come on now, boys. Energy, energy.
Hold on, Colin.
Lots of time, boys, but we got to get this in this shift. This is the shift. Let's go. Lots of time, but we need to make it happen now. Urgency, boys, urgency. press it, press it, press it. Want it, let's go, boys!
Well done, Lucas. Composure. Jackson. Jackson going, go, go, goalie. Come right in the goalie. Go. Okay, go. Jackson, the goalie.
Whoa, guys. Robert, I don't know, whoa. No. Guys, you guys are off.
You got Mahal, you got Lucas.
Good job, Roman.
Press up! Calvin! Calvin! Calvin!
Urgency now, okay, boys. A little bit of urgency now, all right?
That's you.
Go on. Come on, boys! Good feet here, let's all in. Good feet. Fire, fire.
Let's go! Trevor!
Matthew, you okay?
Tyler, have it!
Come on, Tyler, let's go, Sniper!
Hey, you get up the goalie! Tyler, you got Lucas! Abdi, push in! Guys, you have two guys in the same spot! Abdi, push across! Abdi, you
Zach.
push the spot! Push across!
Zach.
Abdi, thank you! Go, Lucas!
Go, Zach.
Hey, push up!
Hey,
Alvera! Leave! Tyler! Leave!
Vera.
Alvera!
Oh my God, you guys tried that. You misfired on that one time. Stuff better than you. That's awesome. Boys, urgency now a little, yeah? Keep it simple, but make it work. Let's go.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Pressure, pressure up, dude.
Get over him.
Passes at the
Go
back.
get the ball.
Get
Go
the
get the
ball.
ball.
Matthew,
Abdu.
don't pass at the back. No passes at the back. Matthew, don't pass at the back. Kick it up.
Pedro, cover. Everything you got, White, everything.
Jackson, in front of that. Jackson, grab one with you. Two on the wall. Two on the wall. Two on the wall. Two in the wall. Get in the wall. Two in the wall. Jackson, looking back. Don't move, boys. Don't move. Mark.
Stay on your mark, stay on your mark.
Who's standing behind Jackson?
Okay. Urgent.
The issue
No, boys, get to the ball. Callan, get on him,
Pedro, that's your guy!
Hey, settle down out there, guys. Chasing the ball around the ball right now. Pedro, settle down, don't chase the ball.
First shoot! Hey, you gotta get back, that's your guy! Hey!
Roman!
Yeah! Yes!
Quick! Move faster! Out! I don't know.
Go, boys! Guys, go, ball throw, our ball!
Go! Find Nix! Get going! To it! Go wide!
Here, ball! Jax!
Very good.
Okay, one more.
Go!